Hello everyone, I hope you're having a blessed day. I'm Leatherneck. Welcome to my channel, Leatherneck IT. Go down, hit that join button, sign up for the membership, like, share, subscribe, drop me a comment. This is TestOut Linux PRO Lab 6.2.5. Use DNF to install an RPM package. Let's get started. So I guess you're probably wondering, why would we use DNF instead of RPM to install anything? Well, DNF is a very powerful tool. Actually, it will go out and download and install it, so you don't have to download it separately like you do RPM. It goes out on the internet and handles all the dependencies. All the dependencies are everything that package depends on in order to function properly. And as it's doing this download and install, it's performing various checks, and it's going to resolve any conflicts along the way, and it just keeps your system stable. I know in the fact sheets it talked about RPM, it talked about Yum, actually Yum and DNF, which is dandified Yum. It's still the same Yum program, it's just doing a whole lot more automatically for you. It's just a better way of doing it. Okay, I hope that made sense to you. The IT manager in your organization has asked you to install an open source volume control and audio effects tool named Pulse Audio Equalizer. Okay, so that's easy enough. With the DNF, there is no switches, they're just other main commands, which is install. I like that better than the switch, right? I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. Anyway, let's go and copy and paste the package that we want in here. Enter. And it says, is this okay? Sure, this is okay. This is great. Let's do it. And enter. It gives you the details, no hashes. I mean, great tool. Let's see how we did. Perfect. All right. I hope this explanation helped you out in understanding the difference and why you would use this. I guess the real question is why would you ever use RPM? Let me know in the comments what you think about that. All right. I will catch you all on the next one. Have a great day.